Hello viewers. Here is the list of French phrases that are frequently being used in the English language. Let's begin. Bon vivant. Meaning, a person who enjoys the pleasures of life, literally, good liver. Example, in addition to being a renowned travel writer, he was a bon vivant who loves to hold dinner parties and serve exquisite, elaborate meals. Bon voyage. Meaning, have a good trip. Example, bon voyage. And see you next year. Cane fate rien. Meaning, it doesn't matter. Example, don't worry. Cane fate rien. Café au lait. Meaning, coffee with milk, white coffee. Example, he brought me café au lait and a chocolate croissant for breakfast. Carte blanche. Meaning, complete freedom to act as one wishes. Example, we should be giving them carte blanche to spend vast sums of money. Cause célèbre. Meaning, a controversial issue attracting widespread public interest and debate, literally, famous case. Example, people like to tweet about many causes célèbres on Twitter. C'est la vie. Meaning, that's life. Such is life. Example, well, I lost the election. But never mind. C'est la vie. Chargé d'affaires. Meaning, diplomatic official, often temporarily taking the place of an ambassador, literally, in charge of affairs. Example, the chargé d'affaires requested that extra gendarmes be posted outside the embassy. Cinéma vérité. Meaning, a style of filmmaking characterized by realistic, typically documentary films which avoid artificiality and artistic effect and are generally made with simple equipment. Example, eschewing formal interviews, the filmmakers shot the movie cinéma vérité style. Cordon bleu. Meaning, of the highest class quality, especially of cooking. Example, that new luxury hotel is advertising for another cordon bleu chef.